Apple Rubber is focused on meeting the needs of all customers. With advanced, high-volume tooling capabilities, we can be sure that our products will be delivered as quickly and efficiently as possible. And we're not just creating high volumes of parts, but high-quality products as well. Some companies just can't handle large volume orders. Their material handling and machine capacities can become a major issue. At Apple Rubber, our tooling capabilities allow us to seamlessly produce low-volume and high-volume rubber parts, as well as prototypes, at a fraction of the time. Every rubber manufacturing process starts with conventional tooling. Based on the size of the order, the tooling process is shifted to our high-volume machines, where cold decks are introduced. With traditional tooling, you can expect lower cavity counts and larger runners. When order volumes reach over 1 million parts, Apple Rubber can easily transition to cold runner tooling, which provides faster cycle times and larger throughput. Apple Rubber uses specific equipment for high-volume tooling to ensure the job is done right. This equipment includes advanced liquid silicone rubber injection presses, cold runner molds, and LSR pumping units. To speed up production and ensure quality control, Apple Rubber uses robots to pick out parts from the mold. This makes the process fully automated and as efficient as possible. LSR injection presses are electric servo controlled for highly repeatable dosing. These presses provide precise temperature control. While high temperatures are required for vulcanization, the cylinder module of the injection press must be kept cool. This can be a major challenge since thermal separation is required for successful operation. We also utilize multi-zone heating in the mold and custom heaters. That's why Apple Rubber uses advanced technology to ensure proper control throughout the entire LSR injection press process. LSR pumping units play a large role in high-volume tooling. These pumps precisely mix 2 silicone components for molding, while keeping an even 50-50 ratio to assure optimal LSR properties. Sometimes, a third stream is also introduced to add and control pigment for color repeatability. LSR can be easily pigmented, so customers can choose specific colors for their applications. Liquid injection molded rubber, or LIM, can often create challenges for engineers, since LSR is difficult to control. Therefore, LIM machining must be meticulous and able to economically handle LSR. Apple Rubber's new pumping units self-purge to remove air, allowing 99% of materials to be utilized rather than being dumped in a landfill. Not only is our equipment precise, it's sustainable too. LSR is an important material in the rubber industry because it has many desirable qualities. For starters, it has a faster cure time than high-consistency silicone, which aids in high-volume part production. LSR also has better physical properties, like compression set with and without post-cure. Post-cure materials have very low outgassing, which is great for the electronics and aerospace industries. When LSR goes through cross-linking at high temperatures, many new material properties can be brought out, such as high resilience, odorless, tasteless, flexibility when cold, sterilizability, and electrical properties. It also offers excellent chemical, UV, aging, and temperature resistance. These unique properties make LSR a great material for industrial applications. And since medical-grade LSR passes biocompatibility testing, it is also a necessary material for the medical industry. Apple Rubber produces high-volume LSR medical components in a Class 10,000 clean room. While we take pride in our high-volume capabilities, we also take proper care to ensure high-quality parts as well. Some manufacturers may believe that the highest cavity count equals success, but that is not always true. In fact, an optimized cavity count will give you the highest quality and most efficient cycle time, which is more important in the long run. Our goal is to make a lot of perfect parts, not a lot of wasted scrap. By utilizing standard tooling configurations to cold runner decks, we can do just that, reducing excess rubber materials and waste. We work hard to ensure we're meeting the needs of our customers, producing high-quality products as quickly and sustainably as possible.